Hey guys, all right. Welcome to my show. Yes, you are very welcome. And thank you very much for watching my show. Hey guys, today I'm gonna make delicious recipe. But don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Very good. Hey guys, look at my table. How colorful and busy. Your table can be colorful and busy. All right, guys, don't forget to go to my YouTube channel. All right, I'll be right here. But don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Very good. Hey, guys, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I have on my table. Very good. But before that, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I'm gonna make today. All right, today I'm gonna make steak à Poivre. Very good. All right, guys, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I have here. All right, you guys want to cook with me? All right, guys, let's go. Very good. I have for this steak, I have 1 tablespoon of salt. I have 3 tablespoons of whole pepper. The pepper, I'm gonna crack it over here, all right? Also, I have 1/4 cup of olive oil. I have 4 filet mignon. Now, let's go over for the sauce, right? For the sauce, I have 1/4 cup of cognac. I have 1 cup of beef stock. I have 1 cup of heavy cream. I have 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. If you guys doesn't like hot sauce, or if you guys don't like black pepper, don't use. I have 6 cloves of garlic. I have ½ pound of mushrooms. You guys can use any mushrooms you want it. Very good. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of paprika. All right, guys, to bring the flavor together. Very good. I'll be right back. Welcome back. All right, so now I'm gonna start first with my beef, right? Nice beef. All right, I get this beef in the bush. Right? Very good. My next step, I'm gonna use my salt, right? So don't put too much salt, right? Here, there. Very good. Don't forget to put both sides. Very good. All right. That's another side now. Hey guys, if you want a good food, right, you're gonna get a very good recipe. All right, very good. All right, almost finished here. All right, very good. All right, my next step, it's my peppers. All right, my whole peppers. Good, very good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to crack, all right, my pepper. Very good. You're going to need something like that, or you can put in the tower and crack, all right? So you don't want to crack too much, all right? All right, guys, let me crack this, all right? And I'll be back very shortly. All right, my pepper is cracked. Please bring the camera together, all right? It's looking good. Very good. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna put there, and you have to squeeze a little bit, okay? Very good. Forget to put in both sides. All right. Very good. That's looking very good. Bingo! All right, very good, guys. All right, very good. All right, so squeeze so they can stay together. Right, let's put the other side now. Very good. All right. Very good. It's gonna taste delicious. Very good. Right? Now squeeze. Very good. It's gonna be good. It's gonna taste good. All right, guys. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, guys. My next step, my fry pan is preheat. All right. My olive oil. If you need more oil, just add it. Very good. All right, guys. Let's warm up my oil. All right. But stay tuned. All right, guys. My oil is ready. Very good. So let me put this right here. And let's cook these babies. All right. Very good. Right? Very good. That's another one. That's another one. Very good. All right. All right, guys. Let's cook these babies. All right? I'll be back very shortly. All right, guys. Welcome back. Now it's time to flip. All right? So, very good. It's looking good. All right. Very good. All right, let's cook these babies. And I'll be right back. All right, guys. Time to check. All right? Very good. All right. Very good. It's almost ready. All right? You don't want well done. All right? You need some blood in the middle. All right? So I'm gonna cook this for 1 more minute and I'll be right back. Welcome back. All right, my filet mignon is ready. Very good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to reserve them. All right? Because I still have to make the sauce. Get here. Very good. All right. If you want to cook a little bit longer, why not? All right? I see you very shortly. All right. In the same fried pan. All right? This is my olive oil. Very good. All right, that's my garlic. All right. Very good. All right, let's cook this garlic. All right. Stay tuned. All right. My garlic, it's ready. It's getting brown. Very good. Now it's time for my mushrooms. Very good. All right. Very good. Now, my next step is gonna be my salt. Very good. All right. My next step, it's gonna be my paprika. All right, guys. Very good. That's when the colors and the flavor comes together. All right, very good. All right, let's cook these babies. All right. Stay tuned. All right. My mushrooms is ready to absorb all the water. All right, it's nice and dry. So now my next step is gonna be my cognac. Very good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do exactly the same. I'm gonna observe the cognac. All right, it has to be glass. All right, mix it up a little bit, and let's cook this baby. All right, very good. Now put the camera together. My cognac is absorbed. All right, all the water is out, but it's concentrated, the mushroom. All right, that's when the flavor and the color comes together. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, now I'm ready for my next step. My next step is going to be my beef stock. You're going to do exactly the same. Good. Very good. All right. Very good. All right, now let's cook this beef stock. All right. Stay tuned. All right, guys. My beef stock is being evaporated. You guys can see this is the secret. All right. It's a step by step. All right. So now I'm ready for my heavy cream. All right, very good. That's where the colors and the flavor comes together. Very good. After that, my hot sauce. Very good. All right, and you smell all over my kitchen. Very good. So let's cook this heavy cream. All right, we're gonna do exactly the same. All right, we're gonna cook a little bit. All right, stay tuned. Hey guys, I almost forgot. That's time to check. Ooh la la! Look at that. Very good. Hey guys. Sheesh! It's almost ready. I'm gonna let these babies cook for 1 more minute. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Hey guys, all right, very good. Hey guys, I'm gonna show you the final product. All right, please bring the camera together. Looks beautiful. All right, looks unbelievable, and I'm sure it's gonna taste delicious and it smell all over my kitchen. All right. Hey guys, you have to try this recipe. All right? I'm sure you gonna be happy today and forever. All right. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Very good. Cheers.